Have you ever seen those images where the text is behind a person in a picture, almost as if it has been embedded somehow, and actually wanted to make one like that yourself, but didn't know how? You see it a lot, especially on magazine covers. Today, I'm going to show you how to make images just like that, where the text is partially hidden behind part of the design, using Canva. So, the first thing I'm going to do is choose YouTube thumbnail, and that's the size image that I'm going to be working with now. You could also choose a custom design and enter any size that you need. Then I'm going to drag the images that I'm going to be working with into Canva. I found all of these images on Pixabay. I've already opened up 6 pages below that I'm going to be working with, and I'll just start putting the images in there, one at a time. So now that I've got all my images in here, filling the entire page, I'm eventually going to take these and add a word behind each one of them. Let's start with this one. So we've got a really cool picture of a lady doing yoga at the beach. Next, click on the picture, and then duplicate it. So we have 2 different images of the same thing. Then I'm going to click on this one, and click on background remover, and it'll remove all this stuff around the lady. Okay, so now you can see. Next, we're going to line her directly on top of that other image so that it lines up perfectly. Here's the tricky part. You see, we've added the word and centered it. Now, we need to get this word behind the lady's body somehow. So click on Position, click on Layers, and now move the word between them, so you've got a word sandwich between the 2 layers. So, that one's done. Let's do another. We'll do the same thing. We'll take the image, and we're going to fill the page, just like that. Highlight it, then duplicate it. Now we'll use the background remover again. All right, put her directly on top of the background image. Click on it. Then go to Position. You can see we're inside the Layers panel. Take the word and put it between the 2 images. You can always adjust it if you need to. Okay, let's do it again. Feel free to practice along. We're going to resize the image. Next, duplicate it. Then, use the background remover. Type in the word and resize as needed. Click on Position. Click on Layers. Now move this word between the 2 image layers. Way to go. Let's try it again. The more practice you have, the better you'll be. Resize the image, click on the picture, and then duplicate it. Click on Background Remover, line her up directly on top of the other lady. Type in the word and resize if needed. Click on Position. Click on Layers. Now move this word between the 2 image layers. Way to go. Let's try it again. Resize the image, click on the picture and duplicate it. Click on Background Remover, line her up on top of the other image, type in the word, and resize. Click on Position. Click on Layers. Now move the word between the two image layers. Last one for this video. You're doing great. Resize the image, click on the picture and duplicate it. Click on Background Remover, line the red coat up on top of the other, type in the word and resize. Click on Position, click on Layers. Now move the word between the two image layers. That's it. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a cool new skill, adding text behind images to make your photos pop. Whether you're jazzing up your social media posts, creating stunning graphics for your next project, or just having fun with your images, you're now equipped with a fantastic technique to enhance your visuals. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. How to seamlessly place text behind your images for a professional touch. The various practice images we used to show you different effects and applications. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.